actually kind of handy because the last time I did this, I had the plasterboard in the way. So it made it a bit more difficult. This is the same kind of valve that was underneath the sink. So I'm just going to fasten it onto that 90-degree turn fitting, and I'll be able to turn the water back on. And I can take the toilet out. There. Now I should be able to turn the water back on and be done with this job. As far as disconnecting pipe. I have to knock these caps loose. That's just caulk. Well, that's kind of unexpected. I was able to take the nuts loose just with my fingers. Must be things settled down since I put this in here. Okay. Oh, that is miserable. Kind of funny, all the time we spent taking the plastic tiles off and barking up our knuckles taking them off, we were just going to cut the plasterboard. We could have cut the plastic tiles loose and left them right on the plaster. Live and learn. This hose is new from when I put the toilet in last time. I had to remount the flange in the floor. Little did I know that I was going to end up taking the whole thing out. But then I managed to put it off for a couple of years. Get these bits and pieces out of the way. Try and lighten this up as much as possible. Younger days I would have just picked this up in my arms and walked off, but I think it makes much better sense to take it slow and easy and work tomorrow than try and rush it and not be able to do anything. Well, the toilet is up and out to the road. And I'm beat. Need to rest a little bit. We'll come back and hit this maybe later tonight. Or maybe tomorrow. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. Well, the do-it-yourself exchange worked like a charm. My wife told me this morning that while she was getting ready for work, a guy came out, stopped by the side of the road, got out of his truck, picked up both the toilet and the sink, and put them in the back of his truck. She had gone out and said, "Do you want to borrow the handcart?" And he said, "Nope." He just picked them up and put them back in. He must be a lot younger than I am. Or maybe just in better shape.